Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and this is Brooklyn. And she needs a little bit of a bath. I don't know what happened, but you know, with little dogs, their eyes drip, and this just happened yesterday because it wasn't like that yesterday. So anyway, she's always on my videos right here. I'm going to be showing you what I got from Eyescream Beauty. This is the bag. And not the box. I do get both. So this is the bag. I believe this is $15 a month. So let me go ahead, show you what I got. I already opened it because I was so excited. I love my Eyescream Beauty. I love it. I love getting it. I love everything about it. The box and the bag. All right. So first thing I am pulling out of my bag, it is a primer, I believe, by Mirabella. Right here. I need to start looking for things that I could take on my vacation because they all have to go on the plane. They all have to be, what, 3 ounces or less. So I need to see about some of these, but here is what it looks like, the primer. And do I want to open it? Let me see if it's got a safety seal. And no, it doesn't. Let me see what it, okay. Comes out like a gel, not a cream, which maybe for primers that's always, but I don't know. I don't use primers a whole lot. I love that Professional primer. That is like my all-time favorite primer. Now I have makeup on already. Is this going to ruin anything? Who cares? That feels good. Feels nice and soft. Ooh, I like it. Okay, so I got that, and I believe the bag it usually has 3 to 4 items, I believe, and the box has 4 to 6. I don't know. I'm gonna have to check, and I'll write it down here somewhere, and the prices too, because I'm terrible at that. But they do give you a little slip with this. The Mirabella face primer was $32. So that was good. Then I was sent this, and this is, let me reference back to my card. This says it's a lip gloss. See, I don't have my glasses on, you guys. Again, I do this all the time because I got contacts. Okay, sorry about that. My dogs, it's a beautiful day today in Illinois. It's about 60-something degrees outside. And people are walking the football track that's right behind us. It's not a huge football stadium. It's just a track where kids go to practice playing football. But right now, it's like a walking track, and people are back there walking. And every time my dog sees somebody, she starts barking like crazy, which sends my little Brooklyn dog, my little Yorkie, barking like crazy. So anyway, I was just saying I get contacts, so I don't have to have glasses. And then when I got the contacts, I realized I can't read now up close or anything. So this says it is a Rachel Culture, I don't know, lip gloss. Darn it, I always do this. Where's my glasses? Where's my glasses? I don't think you can find my glasses. Hold on just a moment. I'm such an idiot. Okay, this was quick.
Oh, okay.
All right, this was super fast. See, I didn't even have to really put you guys on pause. I called myself an idiot. I'm sure you heard me. I'm just going to leave it in because I do this stuff all the time. All right, here's my glasses. Here they are. It is a Rachel, Couture. I don't know how to say that word. I apologize. Lip gloss. So it's right here, the word. So it's probably just something I don't know how to pronounce, something I'm not familiar seeing that word. So let's see what it looks like. It's pretty packaging. that I can say. Ooh, I like it. I like it a lot. Look. Oh, I like this. Okay, I do already have lipstick on, which is kind of ridiculous. I got this pink like lipstick from Walmart, and it was like on clearance. And I bought it, and it's just like really super pink. I didn't know it was gonna be so pink, but I've been using it, so I don't believe in waste. So I use stuff that I hate just to use it up. I know I'm crazy. I know. Just ask my kids. They're just like, you know, why are you keeping this? I've got to use it up. Okay. Is it not true, Nicole, that I keep stupid things to use it up? Not only that, but like shampoo containers and everything in the shower, I always like flip them upside down and make sure we get every last drop. I don't know. I used to be very, very anal too. Anal, I guess, is not a really nice word to say. But I used to be very strict about recycling in my house. Like everything, like when people would throw away something in the trash that gets recycled, I would actually take it out of the trash, rinse it out, and put it in our recycle. Well, I would still continue doing that, except the recycling here only comes every other week. So if I did that, I would always have a recycling bag in our garage, at least one, just sitting there, because the bin just fills up too quickly. So I kind of had to let that go a little bit, like not be so picky about it, but I'm just kind of, I have my little things. So this is the palette I got. I always get a palette with this subscription too. So I really, really excited about this one. Brooklyn, where are you going? She's trying to grab this and run for it. Oh, Brooklyn, no, you cannot have it. That's just the way it is. So this is called, Beauty Creations Irresistible. I'm taking these off now. They're coming off. I don't want to wear glasses. That was the whole point of contacts. Okay, anyway, this palette, they say is a 30... Nope, they didn't. They said it's a $12 palette. See, I would have totally misled you if I didn't put my glasses back on. So sorry about this shaking of the camera. I just got my little dog off my lap because she was starting to want to get my stuff. Okay, anyway, let's see what this palette looks like. First of all, it's pink. My favorite color, for real. I really love to wear pink, and you know, the only thing is when I try to do the pink eyeshadow look, it always comes out looking like I have pink eye. If you know what I mean, really, it looks like my eyes are irritated. So I haven't gotten that down yet. But anyway, let's see. The palette looks like this. So I hear other YouTubers say stuff like, oh, this is, what am I trying to say? Neutral colors or bold colors or, you know, foil colors or whatever they say. I think, in my opinion, just by my lack of knowledge, that these are neutral colors. So if I'm wrong, please let me know in the comments down below, because I know I'm usually wrong, but it's like a very neutral palette to me. So looks like something that, you know, I would use a few of the colors, maybe not all. Again, there's a lot of pinks in here. It's like, what do I do now? What do I do? See that the pinks over here, they're kind of like mauve-y, maybe a little bit reddish. But anyway, there's pinks in there, but I still like it. All right, so that is what I received from my Eyescream Beauty bag. So it was only 3 things, but to me, it's worth it. I'll go ahead and I will put the cost of the items. My dog's chewing on something. Brooklyn. I think it's just a leaf. But I'll put the cost of the bag and the box somewhere in the description box or somewhere, so you guys know how much each one is. But to me, it's well worth the money. A palette in each one, always. So I'll always get one in the bag. I'll always get one in the box. And I really like this subscription a lot. So I do not have a referral code, but again, in my description box, I will have the link to Eyescream Beauty. If there is a YouTuber out there that has a referral link, please use their link, because it really does help us a lot if you use our links. Mine is not a referral link though, but if you know someone that has a referral link for this company, please use their link and check it out. Mine is just generic. Everyone, thank you so much and have a great day. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please, if you can, comment down below, because that's really important to me and to my channel. And also, if you can, subscribe. That's it. That's the word I was looking for, scrambling my brain looking for. Subscribe. That is really the most important thing. Okay. So please subscribe if you have not yet done so. I do weekly giveaways. This month, March, I will be gone for a couple weeks in the middle of the month, so you probably won't see any giveaways at that time. But I do weekly giveaways, so just to let you know, you have to be subscribed in order to enter those. Thank you very much, everyone. Bye.
Bye.